Let's make special sandwich. Today, 2 boiled eggs. Separate the egg yolks and egg white. Chop the egg whites. Mash the egg yolks. Add mayonnaise to the taste. Add salt and pepper to the taste. Mix it well. Add egg white to the yolk mixture. Add white vinegar. Remove the sides of the bread slices. Apply the mixture. Here we have the simple egg sandwich. Add 2 eggs to a cold pan. Add butter to the pan. Mix it well. Add pinch of salt. Add butter again and cook with low heat. Leave it in a plate. Toast the bread slices in the pan with butter. Apply mayonnaise on 1 bread slice. Put a layer of egg mixture. Add pepper to the taste. Add cucumber slices. Apply mayonnaise on the other slice. Add hot sauce to the taste. Here you got perfect sandwich. Take 2 boiled eggs. Mash the eggs with a fork. Add 2 tablespoons of mayonnaise. Chop 1 tablespoon of onion. Salt and pepper. Lime juice. Garlic. Apply a layer of the prepared mixture. Apply butter on the other slice. Sprinkle the chili flakes. Toast the sandwich both sides. Here we got a perfect egg sandwich.